Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. This is Gopi Krishna, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Chevrolet Engineering College. Subject is compiler design. So today we want to discuss about what are the conflicts during shift reduce parsing. Okay. So in this topic we are discussing today. So what are the topics here? Conflicts during shift reduce parsing. So in previous class we are discussing what is the bottom of parsing and what is handle pruning and what is shift reduce parser. So we are seeing one examples and what is bottom of parsing and what is handle pruning and what is shift reduce parser with examples. So we can see one more example in shift reduce parsing. After that we are discussing conflicts during shift reduce parsing. So the example for the shift reduce parsing is this is the example. Okay, so this is the example. We have to construct a shift reduce parser. Okay, so what is shift reduce parser? In previous class, we are discussing in shift reduce parser. We are having four actions. So what is first action? So shift. Shift means so we are taking the input symbol and push that input symbol into the stack, right? So that is the first action. And second one, reduce action. So what is reduce action? So we are replacing the terminal with the left side of non-terminal that is present in our production set. So production set means grammar. That is the second one. So second action is reduce. We have to replace with the stack that is having top of the stack terminal that is replaced with left side non-terminal and replace that non-terminal with replace the terminal with non-terminal by using reduce action. And what is next one? What is the third action? That is accept. So accept means so we are having in the stack data structure we are having dollar followed by the start symbol and we are having input buffer with the dollar. That situation is called the acceptance stage. So that is the third action is accept action. And what is fourth one? Error. Okay. So what is error means so in the final one we are not getting the stack with followed by start symbol and input buffer is having dollar. So in the start symbol we are not receiving the uh, so we are not receiving the uh, dollar followed by the start symbol. That situation is called the error state. Okay, so that is called the four actions we are performing in a shift reduce parser. So what is shift means? So we are performing one input symbol that is present in input buffer that is pushed it into stack. So that action is called the shift action, and second one is the reduce action. So in this reduce action, in top of the stack we are having terminal. That terminal is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is the reduce action. And third one is the accept means we are top of the stack which is having dollar followed by the start symbol and those dollar in input buffer we are having the end of the string dollar. Those two are matched, then the given grammar is accepted by the parse. So accepted means construction of parse is correct one. And what is the error means? So in these three actions we are not following the rules. Then we are getting the error. So that is the shift reduce parser which are having the actions. So in this grammar, so let us consider the following grammar. S is production with open brace L, closed brace or small a, and L is production with L comma S or capital S. So this is the given grammar. So we have to construct the shift reduce parser for this grammar. So in this one, we are passing the input string is open brace small a comma open brace small a comma small a closed brace and closed brace. So this is the given input string. So we have to pass by using shift reduce parser. So by using shift reduce parser, we are having three columns. So first one is the stack, and second one is the input buffer, and third one is the action. So in these three columns, we are performing the shift reduce parser by using the rule by using the actions followed by the shift reduce parser. So first one is the stack, and second one is input buffer, and third one is the action. So this is a given input string, open brace small a comma open brace small a comma open brace, so small a closed brace and closed brace. So this is the given input string. So initially which is having stack is having top of the stack is dollar. So that is dollar that is present in the stack, and input buffer. So input buffer is input string. So that is placed in input buffer, and in this one, so dollar is the top of the stack. So input buffer having the terminal. So that is here open brace is the input buffer. So in this open brace, what action we are performing a shift reduce parcel. So in the stack there is no terminal. Then we have to push that particular terminal into the stack. So that's why we are performing the shift action. So we are performing shift action. So this is placed into the top of the stack. Then finally after pushing this open brace into the stack, then what is the remaining input buffer? Small a comma open brace small a comma open a closed brace and dollar. So dollar indicates the is the end of the string. Okay. So in this closed brace, so it is taken as a substring. So it is taken as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side which is having is there any open brace production in the right hand side? Is there any production in the right hand side with open brace? Is there any production with the open brace in the right hand side? So there is no production in the open brace in the right hand side. Then we have to, then what is the action we are performing? So next input buffer input string is onto the input symbol, that is pushed it into stack. Then small a is pushed it into stack. So which is the action we are performing? Shift action. So shift means we are pushing the terminal into the stack. Then small a is considered as a substring. Small a is considered a substring. So is there any substring? Is there any substring that is present in the right hand side? So what is the substring here? Small a. That small a is present. Is there any production in the right hand side? Yes, we are having a production in the right hand side. So if S is production with small a, so in the right hand side we are having the production that is small a. Then we are replacing this small a with capital S. So left side non-terminal, left side non-terminal. So this A is replaced with left side non-terminal. So what is the action here? Reduce action. So what is reduce action? S is production with small a. So that small a is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is capital S. So this A is replaced with capital S. So is there any production in the right hand side of given grammar? Yes or no? Yes. We are having capital S is the production in the right hand side. So that right hand side production is replaced with left side non-terminal. Right. So what is the left side non-terminal? S is left side non-terminal is capital L. So this L S is replaced with capital L. So what are the action we are performing? We are performing switch operation or reduce operation. So we are performing reduce operation. So what is reduce operation? So in this reduce, so L is production with S. So S is present in the right hand side. That S is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is L. So we are performing reduce operation. L is production with S. So L is replaced with sorry, S is replaced with L. So L is having. Then is there any production in the right hand side? So we are considering the substring as L, and is there any production in the right hand side with non-terminal capital L? So there is no production in the right hand side with capital L. So is there we are considering open brace and L. Is there any production? It is taken as a substring. So substring is also known as handle. So open brace L. So in this production, in this in this substring, is there any production in the right hand side? So is there any production in the right hand side? There is no production in the right hand side. So we are what is the action we are performing? We are performing the shift action. So shift means so we have to push the next input symbol, that is push it to the stack. So comma is the next input symbol. That input symbol is pushed it into stack. So the action is shift action. Then is there any production in the right hand side which is having open brace L comma? Okay, so comma తో ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా right hand side? There is no production. And L comma, is there any production? L comma S is the production, but only L comma is not having the production. And we are considering open brace L comma. Is there any production in the right hand side? There is no production in the right hand side. Then we are performing the shift action. So shift means we are next pushing the input symbol into the stack. So what is the next input symbol? We are open brace. So that is pushed it into stack. So then performing the action is shift action. Then is there any production in the right hand side with open brace? There is no production. So comma open brace, is there any production? No. And L comma open brace, is there any production? No production in the right hand side. And open brace L comma open brace, is there any production in the right hand side? There is no production in the right hand side with the these four substrings. Then we have to perform the shift action. So we are performing shift action. So that means so next input symbol, that is pushed it into stack. So then pushing small a onto the stack, then performing shift action. Then here small a. So is there any production in the right hand? Small a is considered as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side with small a? Is there any production in the right hand side with terminal a? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So small a is the terminal. So we are considering right hand side with small a. Then so we are replacing small a with corresponding left side non-terminal. What is the left side non-terminal? Capital S. So here small a is replacing capital S. So we are performing action is reduce action. So that reduce action is S is production with small a. S is production with small a. So we are replacing small a with yes. So we are performing here. So dollar open brace L comma close brace a is replaced with yes. Then S is considered as a substring. Is there any production uh, in the right hand side with symbol yes? Yes, we are having the right hand side with symbol yes. We have a production. Then that particular s can be replaced with left side non-terminal. What is the left side non-terminal here? Capital L. So this L is replaced, sorry, this S is replaced with capital L. Then we are replacing, we are performing the action is reduce action. So reduce action means reduce L is production with capital S. So S is replaced with L. So in this statement L. Is there any production in the right hand side with small l? There is no production. We are considering open brace L. Is there any production in the right hand side? No production. We are considering this one as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side which is having the given top of this substring? So there is no production in the right hand side with this substring. Then we are performing the action is shift action. What is the shift action? So next input symbol, that is pushed it into stack. So then push comma into the stack. So we are pushing comma onto the stack. So comma is placed here. So is there any production with open brace L comma? Is there any production in the right hand side? There is no production in the right hand side. Then we are performing the action is shift action. Then we are pushing small a onto the stack. Small a onto the stack. Then is there any production with the substring small a in the right hand side? Yes, we are having the small a production in the right hand side. Then that small a is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is yes. Okay, left side non-terminal, that is yes. Then we are performing the reduce action. We are performing reduce action. So that is S is production with small a. So small a is replaced with capital yes. So this S is replaced with capital yes. Sorry, A is replaced with yes. Then is there any production in the right hand side which is having the symbol yes? It is having the symbol substring yes. So S is the production. S is the symbol. Is there any production in the right hand side? Yes, we are having the production with right hand side capital S. Then this S is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is capital L. So we are performing the reduce action, that is sorry, we are considering L comma S. We are considering substring as L comma S. Is there any production in the right hand side? Yes, we are having the production L comma yes. Then we are replacing this with the left side non-terminal capital L. So this L comma S, you are performing the action is reduced. So that L is production with L comma S. So this L comma S is replaced with capital L. Okay. So we are performing reduce action. Then is there any production in the right hand side with open brace L? No production. With L is having any production in the right hand side? There is no production. Then we are performing the shift action. So we are pushing closed brace onto the stack. So is there any production with closed brace? There is no production. And we are considering L and closed brace, no production. And we are considering open brace, L closed brace. So is there any production with open brace, L closed brace? Yes, we are having the production with open brace, L and closed brace. So this is the production. So we are replacing this with the left side non-terminal, that is capital S. So we are replacing this with left side non-terminal. So we are performing the action is reduce S is production with open brace L closed brace. So this is replaced with S. Then L comma S. So is there any production with L comma S in the right hand side? Is there any production in the L comma? Yes, in the right hand side. Yes, we are having the production with right hand side L comma. Yes, then this is replaced with the left side non-terminal. Left side non-terminal, that is replaced with here అమ్మా ఇక్కడ two statements రాయలేదు చూడండి. All of you note down. All of you listening or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are. This one L comma S is replaced with the left side non-terminal capital L. So here dollar and open brace L comma S. This is replaced with capital L and the string is open brace and sorry closed brace and dollar. We are performing the operation reduce L is production with L comma S. Finally, L comma S is completed. So with L and is there any production with the right hand side with only L? So in this production, dollar open brace L is the production. Then we are having L. Is there any production with capital L? There is no production. Then we are performing shift operation. So we are performing here shift operation. So closed brace is closed brace is pushed it into stack. Then finally dollar, here dollar open brace L and closed brace, and here this is pushed it into stack. Then finally stack is having only dollar. So is there any production in the right hand side with open brace L closed brace? Yes, we are having the production with open brace L closed brace. So this non-terminal, this terminal is replaced with right side, sorry, left side non-terminal. So that is yes. So dollar, finally dollar yes, and input buffer having dollar. We are performing reduce operation, that is S is production with open brace L closed brace. So finally, so what is the acceptance state? So in this stack contains dollar and start symbol yes, and input buffer having only dollar. So in this situation, we are having to accept. We are performing the action, that is accept. Is there any doubt in this example? సో ఇక్కడ టూ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రాయలేదమ్మా, అవి పట్టలేదు. ఓకే, సో దోస్ టూ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ డాలర్ ఓపెన్ బ్రేస్ ఎల్ కామా ఎస్. దిస్ ఎల్ కామా ఎస్ ఈజ్ రీప్లేస్డ్ విత్ capital L. So in this one dollar L comma S is open brace L, and so we are pushing this into stack. Then next statement dollar open brace L closed brace, and we are performing the reduce action with S. So then finally we are getting dollar is followed with start symbol S. Then in this input buffer having dollar, we are performing the accept action. Okay, so that is the given input, given string which is accepted by the given grammar. Okay, is there any doubt with shift reduce parser in this example? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, boys? Hello, girls? No doubt? Oh,
Sir.
no doubt. Okay, then so in this we are discussing what are the conflicts that are present in our shift reduce parsing. So in this conflicts during shift reduce parsing, so we are performing the shift reduce parsing. So conflicts means we have problems. Okay, so what are the problems that are occurring? We are performing the shift reduce parsing for this any grammar. Okay, so we are performing two conflicts in this shift reduce parsing. So those are shift or reduce conflict and reduce conflict. Okay, so these are the two conflicts that are occur. We are performing we are performing shift reduce parsing. Okay, so first one, what is shift reduce conflict and what is reduce conflict? So in this shift reduce conflict, for example, we are performing one grammar in a shift reduce parsing. So in this shift reduce parsing, we have to explain one example, and reduce conflict, we want to explain one example. So how to occur those conflicts in the solving the particular shift reduce parsing. So here example is statement is production with if expression then statement, or if expression then statement else statement, or other. Okay, so here so that this is the given production. In this production, the stack contains, so stack lo em untayamma, only terminals, and input is having terminals. So that in this stack we are having both terminals or and non-terminals, and input is having only terminals. So for example, in this stack we are having if expression then statement, if expression then statement. Is there any production in the right hand side with this in this handle? Yes, we are having this one. Okay, so then we are replacing this with left side non-terminal, that is statement. So this is one. That means we are performing reduce operation, or we are having input with else. Sorry, నా వాళ్ళే ఫోన్ ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయిందని మళ్ళీ నా ఫోన్. Okay, so in this if expression then statement, then we are having input buffer with else. So in this one, so we are having if expression then statement, else statement, then we are having to this else is pushed it into stack or performing reduce operation. So both shift operation and reduce operation can performing simultaneously. So that means only, so that is the conflict, that is the problem here. We are having one reduce operation. So here if expression then statement is replaced with left side non-terminal statement, or another one is shift operation. Shift means this input buffer is shift. అన్నయ్య బయటకు వెళ్ళాడు. This else is pushed it into stack. So these are the conflicts, means we are performing simultaneously shift operation as well as reduce operation. So రెండు perform చేయాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు, so that is called the shift reduce conflict. So then at that situation we are performing only one uh, correct action. Okay, so that is shift action or a reduce action. So only one action should be performed. Okay, so that is the shift reduce conflict. Okay, and what is reduce conflict? So in this reduce conflict, so we are performing in the, we are considering one string. So that string, that substring is placed in the right hand side. So that right hand side, so we can replace that is with left side non-terminal. And another situation, we are considering another substring. So that substring is having the another right hand side possibility. So then we are having two reduce statements. So that is replaced with two types of reduce statements. So then reduce conflicts can occur. Okay, so those reduce conflicts, those reduce conflicts, that is which one is used to choose. Okay, ఏ యాక్షన్ ఏ యాక్షన్ లో ఏ రెడ్యూస్ ఆపరేషన్ కనుక మనం పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే we can get the pass tree correctly. ఓకే, ఏది మనం కరెక్ట్ గా పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే అది వస్తుంది, దాన్ని మనం రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో రెడ్యూస్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ మీన్స్ we are having two different reduce actions. So we want to choose one correct action. So that is the reduce conflict. So is there any doubt with shift reduce conflict or reduce conflict? So in this shift reduce conflict means we are having two alternatives. So we are performing shift action as well as reduce action. At that time we are having the shift reduce problem. So conflict means the problem. At that situation we are performing only one operation, that is shift operation or a reduce operation. So in this reduce conflict, so it occurring means so two types of reduce statements. So which one is correct? We have to choose that one, and we are performing that action. Okay. So in this two conflicts, we can understand with one example. So that example is here. In previous class, we are discussing shift reduce parser with this grammar. So in this grammar, we are using two conflicts: shift reduce conflict and reduce conflict. So what is shift reduce conflict and what is reduce conflict? We are using in this one, for example. So here is the stack. సో చూడండి అమ్మ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకసారి, దీంట్లో షిఫ్ట్ రెడ్యూస్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అలాగే రెడ్యూస్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఈస్ ద స్టాక్ డాలర్, అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్పుట్ బఫర్ ఈజ్ హియర్ ఐడి స్టార్ ఐడి విత్ ఎండ్ విత్ డాలర్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వన్, in this stack there is no terminal that is present in the particular stack. Then we are performing shift action. then id is pushed it into stack. So id is taken as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side which is having the id? Yes, we are having the production with id. So this id is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is capital F. So we are performing reduce, that by F is production with id. Then next, so id is replaced with capital F. So is there any production in the right hand side with the capital F? Yes, we are having the right hand side with production capital F. So that F is replaced with left side non-terminal, that is capital T, left side non-terminal. So that is the reduce operation, that is T is production with F. So this F is replaced with capital T. Then here T. So T is having in the right hand side. So yes, we are having T in the right hand side. So that T is replaced with capital E. So we are having one problem with replacing T with capital E. So next ID is star. So E star particular F is not available. So this situation is called the shift reduce conflict. So that means we are having the reduce statement here. So that means the reduce statement is this T is replaced with left side non-terminal. Capital E is production with capital T. So this is the reduce production, and we are having to shift this star into the into the stack. So this is the shift action as well as reduce action. So both actions we are performing shift to reduce at a time. So రెండు actions at a time కనుక మనం పర్ఫామ్ చేయకూడదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్, అంటే షిఫ్ట్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు, రెడ్యూస్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎట్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్? సో విచ్ ఆపరేషన్ which action to be performed by correct, we have to get the correct path. So that situation, at that situation we are using to perform one. So at that situation we can get the shift reduce conflict, right? So shift reduce conflict ఎలా వచ్చింది? సో ఇక్కడ reduce statement ఉంది, as well as సో స్టార్ ని పుష్ చేసే స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంది. సో షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు, రెడ్యూస్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఎట్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ద షిఫ్ట్ రెడ్యూస్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్. సో షిఫ్ట్ రెడ్యూస్ ప్రాబ్లం అనేది వస్తుంది. సో షిఫ్ట్ రెడ్యూస్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే సో ఓన్లీ వన్ యాక్షన్ షుడ్ బి పర్ఫార్మ్డ్. సో ఆ యాక్షన్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మనం షిఫ్ట్ ని పర్ఫామ్ చేసాం. సో షిఫ్ట్ యాక్షన్ షుడ్ బి performed. Why? Because so we are replacing this T with capital E, then star. So next star is the next input buffer. So that is placed into here. So E star ID. So ID is placed into here. This ID is replaced with capital F. Then E star capital F. So is there any production with E star F? There is no production in the right hand side. At that situation we are performing. So we are having the shift reduce conflict. So then we are how to perform the operation. Only one action should be performed. So in this one we are performing shift action. We are performing shift action. So shift action means this T is not replaced with capital E. So reduce operation అనేది perform చేయలేదు. We are having to perform shift action. So that is, so T is we are having shift action. So then star is placed here. Then is there any production with input substring capital T or star? There is no production in the right hand side with capital T or star, capital T star. So production ఏమీ లేదు. That's why we are performing shift action. Then this ID is performed to shift action. Then we are having here ID. Then top of this tag input buffer having dollar. Then so T is star ID. Is there any production with T star ID? There is no production in the right hand side. Then we are considering star as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side? There is no production in the right hand side with star. So ID as taken as substring. Then is there any production in the right hand side with ID? Yes, we are having the production with ID in the right hand side. Then this ID is replaced with capital F. So that is left side. Mhm. Left side non-terminal, that is capital F. So this ID is replaced with capital F. So we are performing the action is reduce. F is production with ID. F is production with ID. Then then so here this ID is replaced with F. Then yes, we are having T star F. T star F. In the input buffer we are having only dollar. So in this statement we are having the reduce problem. So what is reduce problem means? We are having, so let us consider T as a substring. Let us consider T as a substring. So is there any production in the right hand side with capital T? Yes, we are having the production in the right hand side with capital T. So that T is replaced with capital E. So this is one reduce operation. And let us consider capital F as a capital F as a substring. So is there any production in the right hand side with capital F? Yes, we are having capital F in the right hand side. Then this F is replaced with capital T. So this is another reduced production. And here T star F. So finally T star F is taken as a substring. Is there any production in the right hand side? Is there any production in the is there any production in the right hand side? Yes, we are having the production in the right hand side with T star F. Then that is replaced with T. So we are having three reduced productions. So in this problem is known as the reduce conflict. So at that situation we are performing only one reduce operation, So we have to overcome the construction of part 3 in a correct order. So three reduce statements వచ్చినప్పుడు we are performing only one reduce operation. So here for example, in T is replaced with capital E. So here T is replaced with capital E star F. So E star F. Is there any production with E star F? There is no production. For example, we are considering F as a substring. So this F is replaced with capital T. Is there any production with T star T? There is no production. Okay. So then we are go for T star F is replaced with capital T. So left side non-terminal, that is capital T. So in this one we are performing the reduce operation, one reduce operation. So we are having three alternatives. So reduce this E is production with T, T is production with F, and T is production with T star F. So we are having three reduce operations. Then which one we have to choose means we have to construct the correct parse. That production will taken as correct one, and we are performing the correct. We are getting the correct parse. So we can accept that particular string as correct way. Okay, so that is called the reduce conflict. So we are having three reduce conflicts, reduce statements. So which one we have to choose? So that means we are accepting the string that production will taken as a correct one. So in this one we are considering, so T star F, that is taken as a left side non-terminal. So that is we are performing reduce. T is production with T star F. T star F. So here T is a production. Okay, then in the starting symbol, is there any production in the right hand side with T? Yes, we are having the right hand side. And this T is replaced with right left side non-terminal, left side non-terminal, that is capital E. Then dollar capital E. So we are performing reduce operation. T is production with capital E. Then so what is the acceptance state? So in the stack we are having dollar followed by the start symbol, and with the input buffer we are having only dollar. Then that situation is called the acceptance. Okay, so this is the accept. Okay, so is there any doubt with shift reduce conflicts and reduce conflicts? Anyone? Any doubt? Hello? 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 So here is the two conflicts, shift reduce conflicts or reduce conflict. Shift reduce అంటే రెండు ఒకటే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ దగ్గర మనకి ఏ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి. షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేషన్ ఉంది యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ రెడ్యూస్ ఆపరేషన్ ఉంది. So that problem is called shift reduce conflict. So which in this one we are performing only one action. So the correct action to be performed. In this reduce statement we are having reduce two or more reduce operations. So which one we have to choose and we can get the correct part 3. So in this problem is called reduce conflict. Okay, is there any doubt, Amma? Hello? Hello, boys, girls? Hello?